How to see eBay sold items history. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is get into your eBay, make sure you're logged into your account. Then from here, what you're going to do is type your target product query keywords into the search bar right here. So what you're going to do is simply like I said, type your target product keyword. So it could be anything. Let's just go with a random one just like this. And now from here, what you're going to do is scroll all the way down, and then from here, what you're going to do now is simply tap on the filter icon right here. And from here, what are we going to do is select the sold option, right? So if you tap on show more option, here you will be able to see the sold option. I'm pretty sure it's around right here. Here you can see sold items right here. What you're going to do is enable that option, and in here you can see all of the, you can see there's like 100,000 plus results. Tap on it and you can see these are all of the sold items. So you can see all of the sold items details in order to see your see their history. So you can tap on any of them and you can see they have been sold to this price with on this date. Just like this, you'll be able to view the history. And that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below. And that is it for the video.